T2Door new DIY tie-dye shirts. So you're going to start with your blank shirt. It's going to come white, just like this, with no color added to it. There'll be black and white printing on it. And then the first thing you're going to do is just get your shirt out, and you need to wet it. So we'll just take it and take it over to the sink, get it nice and wet. Or you can wash it if you want to just put it in the washer and dryer. But whenever you finish, you do need it wet. So if you wash it and dry it, go ahead and get it wet again. You want to really squeeze out all the excess water. You just want to have a damp shirt. And then once you do all of that, just take it back to your surface. We covered ours with plastic so that we don't get our dye everywhere. And it's best to wear some gloves. Okay, so then you'll just lay it out. It's nice and wet. And then however you want to fold it up. So we'll insert a couple of slides of some different ways to fold your shirt. We're going to twist this one. Brought it down to a circle, and we put our rubber bands on, and now we are going to just add our tie-dye. And you want to maybe not get too close to the edges so that the colors don't muddy up, but you just want to apply it sort of in a pie shape. So we've got 4 different tie-dyes. We've got the crinkle here, and then we've got sort of a bullet right here, and then the circular pie, and then these two-toned right here. So we're going to let these sit, and then we will rinse them out, which is a very important step. Okay, so we've let this one sit several hours. So this is the crinkle, so I'm just going to bring it over to the washing. I'm going to wash it out. So this one has just one color, purple, and you just want to wash it until your water comes out clear. So we're just going to run this into the water until the water comes out clear, and the purple kind of goes on to the white and makes a really pretty, fun tie-dye. So I'm just running it under the water until my water comes out clear instead of purple. And it had quite a bit of white on it, but now you can see that it creates a really neat tie-dye. Okay, so this is the bullet style one. It's really important how you wash this out. You don't turn your water on too much. Okay, so you want to just start up at the top or the bottom, it doesn't matter either way. And we're going to wash this one out. And of course, this is a very light color, so it's really not going to bleed onto the others. But as soon as I go to this magenta, I need to try to not get it onto any of the other colors because it's really going to run. So try not to get it. I don't hold it up and down so that I don't get it on any of the other colors. So these take a little bit of time to wash out. So I'm going to do each color like this. Okay, so this one might be a little more difficult because it's the pie shape, so it's a little more difficult. I'm just going to try and keep the yellow from getting too many other colors in it. You can tell there's a lot of color coming off of this. This this one's going to end up like a swirl. So it's going to be very pretty. And there's really no right or wrong way to do this. And just when you think you've made a mistake, it ends up looking so cute and totally unique. So I'm just going to get as much out as I can, and then I'll take the rubber bands off and hope for the best. There is a lot of color on this one. Okay, so I don't have quite all of the color out, but this one's going to be so pretty. So I'm just going to take the rubber bands off. I think it's going to be pretty anyway. And you almost never know what they're going to look like. And I feel like sometimes what you think they're going to look like, they don't. Oh, super cute! So it's like the real traditional tie-dye. I think we did it. Okay, so I'm going to rinse it out a little more and then lay it flat to dry. And of course, you always want to wash these separately, because this is a DIY, so you definitely would not want to wash this with any of your very delicate clothes. I think I will wash these by hand and not put them just in the regular wash. And I think I'll just hang mine to dry to preserve the color, to try to keep them as bright as possible. But I do love the way the white ink does not take the tie-dye. So cute, and what a cute message. Sprinkle kindness.